Welcome to Auto Paradise, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated superbikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha R1 GYTR. This track-focused beast is built for pure performance, and Yamaha has left no stone unturned in making it a true racing machine. Stick around as we explore its features, upgrades, and why this bike is every rider's dream. Yamaha's R1 lineup has always been at the forefront of superbike technology, and the 2025 R1 GYTR takes it to an entirely new level. GYTR stands for Genuine Yamaha Technology Racing, which means this bike is designed with only one thing in mind: dominating the track. While the standard R1 is already a masterpiece, the GYTR version is stripped of anything unnecessary for street riding and fine-tuned for maximum performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha R1 GYTR is the legendary 998cc crossplane inline-4 engine. This powerhouse delivers insane acceleration, precise throttle response, and a soundtrack that screams pure racing DNA. Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine for even more mid-range torque and top-end power, ensuring that it remains competitive against the best superbikes on the market. The MotoGP-inspired electronics package includes an updated quick shifter, launch control, and an advanced traction control system that adapts seamlessly to the track surface. The chassis and aerodynamics of the 2025 R1 GYTR have been reworked to deliver the best handling experience possible. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, redesigned for better rigidity and feedback, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. One of the biggest highlights is the carbon fiber fairing, which not only reduces weight but also improves airflow and downforce. Yamaha has also tweaked the aerodynamic winglets, giving the bike improved stability at high speeds. Suspension and braking play a crucial role in performance, and Yamaha has equipped the R1 GYTR with the best components available. It features fully adjustable Öhlins forks and rear shock, ensuring precise handling and stability even under extreme conditions. The Brembo racing brakes provide incredible stopping power, giving riders the confidence to brake later and push harder into corners. With these upgrades, the 2025 R1 GYTR is more planted, more aggressive, and more race-ready than ever before. Yamaha understands that weight reduction is key to better performance, which is why the 2025 R1 GYTR comes loaded with premium lightweight components. The full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system not only reduces weight but also enhances performance and gives the bike an intoxicating exhaust note. The race spec ECU ensures precise engine mapping for peak performance, while the lightweight lithium-ion battery helps shave off extra pounds. The result is a machine that feels razor-sharp on the track and responds instantly to every input. The rider's cockpit of the 2025 R1 GYTR is all about precision and functionality. The bike comes equipped with a fully digital TFT display, offering all the essential information at a glance. Yamaha has also introduced new switchgear for better control over the electronic settings, allowing riders to fine-tune traction control, wheelie control, and power delivery on the go. The racing-style clip-on handlebars and rear-set footpegs put the rider in a fully aggressive position, maximizing aerodynamics and control. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 R1 GYTR is its track-ready customization. Yamaha offers an extensive range of GYTR Pro performance parts, allowing riders to fine-tune their bike for their specific racing needs. From high-performance brake pads to race-spec sprockets, every component is designed to enhance performance on the track. For serious racers, Yamaha even provides a fully programmable ECU and data logging system, making it easier than ever to optimize lap times. While the 2025 Yamaha R1 GYTR is a true track weapon, it's not street legal. This bike is built for the race circuit only, which means no headlights, mirrors, or license plate mounts. It's designed purely for those who want to experience the full potential of Yamaha's racing DNA without any compromises. Whether you're an experienced racer or a passionate track day enthusiast, the R1 GYTR delivers an unmatched riding experience. So, Is the 2025 Yamaha R1 GYTR the ultimate track bike? With its race-bred engineering, lightweight design, and cutting-edge electronics, it's certainly one of the most advanced superbikes Yamaha has ever produced. If you're looking for pure, unfiltered performance, this bike is as close as you can get to a factory race machine. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha R1 GYTR. What do you think about this track-focused monster? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Paradise for more amazing content on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.